Alright guys, so this is part 2 of Classico by Tenacious D, as requested by my viewer Sprialmay. If you haven't already seen part 1, go ahead and check that out. It was posted just before this video. But that was the fingerstyle portion down here, part 1 was. Now we're going to get into this really nice little portion in the middle. So we're going to start on the 7th fret and 6th fret of the high E string. Just a nice little flutter back and forth. So that second part there is going to be 7 on the B string, 10 on the B string, 9 or 8 on the B string, and then 9 on the G string. And then we're going to do this little chord down here, which is 7 on the A string, 9 on the D string, 9 on the G string, and 7 on the B string. And then bring it down to 7 on the E string. So, and then we're going to go 8 on the G string, 7 on the B string, 8 on the B string. So far we have and then we're going to go back to that beginning. It's the exact same. Still the exact same. So that's the change there. So that first little chord, the 7-9-9-7, is still all the same. But then you're going to go down to your low 7E and up to your 8 on the B string, 7 on the B string, and 9 on the G string. So far we have. And then the next portion, which is you're going to double up that last note you played, so that 9 on the G string, and then 8 on the B string, 10 on the B string, 7 on the E string. And then back to that 9 on the G string, 8 on the high E string, down to 7 on the high E string, to 10 on the B string. So we're going to do a little walk down here now. And you're going to hit that 9 on the G string between all of them. So you know the first one. And then the next one is going to be 9 on the G string, 7 on the high E, to 10 on the B, to 8 on the B. And the last one will be 9 on the G to 10 on the B, 8 on the B to 7 on the B. And then from there we'll go to, which is 9 on the D string to 8 on the D string. That's going to be 7 6 7 6 7 on the low E, and then we'll go up to 7 6 7 6 7 on the high E. So it'll sound like. That next part will be 7 10 8 on the B string. And we're going to get into the tremolo picking on the 9th fret of the G string and the 8th fret of the G string. So that's the end of part 2 there. Let me play it for you. that'll go into part 3. So stay tuned for that portion, and that will then conclude your whole Classico experience. You'll be able to show off to your friends. They'll be able to sing like Jack Black next to you, like they know what they're doing, when really you're just this guru over here just shredding away on an acoustic guitar. But anyway, have a great day. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already.